Okay.
Yeah, it shows up.
It's way up there.
Right.
I think I want to just do this.
Okay. Yeah, it's about right.
Okay.
Lock her down.
So I've got it on Polaris. Camera seems stable.
Yep.
Let me double check the laser.
Okay.
Bingo, right there.
Okay, turn it off.
So now what we'll do is we're going to refine our polar alignment. I shut my eyes
Okay.
as I'm lighting up this thing.
Okay.
Pull up this app. SA console. It's about 6 degrees to the left of 0.
Okay.
So now I have to use the bottom
What are you gonna
button to make it come up. So I'm making it come up. Okay, so I got it come up.
These are left and right.
So this is going to be at the 6th.
I don't need to know that. You need to know
So I need to make it come left. Okay, take a look.
that. Looks good to me. Yeah.
So we have to tighten.
Tight.
So now that we got that, I'm just going to take a normal photograph.
Okay.
I'm going to do a test shot.
Okay.
And got it at f4,
Okay.
ISO 800, a 15-second exposure.
All right.